I'm here in beautiful Italy, animal communication on the go. This morning I sat outside communicating and enjoying the moment with the aloe vera plants, and suddenly a little lizard appeared, leaning against the terracotta pot of the aloe vera plants, just also soaking up the sunshine, the first warming rays of sun, and really enjoying this moment with me, inviting me to welcome the day and be present with the beautiful sky and the beautiful smells and the sound of the water. So that's the great thing about nature and animal communication. You can do it anywhere, everywhere, on the go, and enjoy moments, pockets of bliss.